So, guys, Priscilla was surprised by her husband tonight. He bought her Range Rover, new Range Rover. That is what we are talking about when someone is very, very intentional with you and wants to go forever with you. So she was giving this surprise at some point during her reception, and then people were screaming. Nigerians were screaming, "Oh, this is one of the weddings that broke history since 2025 started." Like, they were giving us wedding back to back to back. If Priscilla's husband has his way, he would have, done this wedding in different countries virtually every month just to keep tying that knot. In fact, somebody actually said, the way these people don't tie these knots, it will be very hard to untie it. So, guys, this was the preparation of the wedding. I want to take you back to how all this wedding thing started. So you can see Funke and Kendele, our one and only Auntie Funke, getting prepared, and then everybody was wearing that touch of gold, and it made the day very colorful. Even her bridal train was exceptionally beautiful. So all of them came prepared. They really tried. They came from Nigeria. Some of them, or maybe all of them, came from Nigeria to come and be with their friend and support their friend. So you can see so many outfits that very day. Everybody was just wearing different touch of gold, different styles. I don't snap style. Like I was saying, I like Iyabojo's outfit. I think she wore two outfits. She wore the gold one, and then she later wore the onion color. Then you can spot Shioma good hair and her outfit. So they did their wedding, and then the normal way everybody would take pictures after the wedding according to the photographer. So I said I had this gist. I was like, I'm not going to keep this gist till tomorrow morning, I beg, because the gist is too sweet. The wedding was lit, everything was on point. So you can spot different outfits, different touch of gold, different styles. Some were wearing black and touch of gold, some were wearing plain black, some were wearing just gold. Do you understand? So I'm really happy for Iyabojo because her dream is finally coming true. Seeing your baby get married at a very young age, the normal age of marriage, and now, being celebrated, not just in Nigeria. It is really, really fascinating, and that's what every mother prays for. So far, so good. The wedding has been moving smoothly, and everybody properly entertained. Like, did you see the hall? Did you see the decoration? That was massive. Like, this wedding, people no finish talking about them because it was one in town. And yes, the Tanzanians really tried. They gave it to us back to back. They did not forehand. Yeah. They did not forehand because, of course, they know who their in-law is. Nigerians like doing things that are making a lot of sense. So, guys, this was how the wedding has been going so far, and so good. And I told you guys I'm going to be updating you guys on what is going on, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the whole outfit thing. Tell me what you think about the wedding, because